Stop wasting tokens on prompt, rise up and get better answer instantly. Hey guys, welcome to Kashi Digital HQ. I'm your friend Kashi, and today we are going to talk about another important but simple prompt framework. It's called RISE. It stands for role, input, steps, and expectation. It's a pretty simple and easy framework like the others that you have seen. You can watch the videos there, but this one helps you to provide the right perspective, right information, a clear step-by-step process, and the desired output that you want, how you want the desired output to be. So let's break it down how it works. The R is for role. Role means who you want AI to act as: teacher, scientist, resume interviewer, XYZ, gym teacher, whatever it is. What's the role you want it, so that AI now can have the right point of view. Now that's the R. Now I is for input, the information that you need to provide, a summary, the document or the email, or you need to have the sample plan, any input that you want to provide so that it can have some data to work on, what it needs to work on from that perspective, or what action you want to take on that one. Now once you're given the role and input, then is the steps. S is for step, how you want AI to do the work. Do the summary, bullet list, or explain it in XYZ manner and all those, so that AI knows how to process the data you just given it. E for expectation, how you want output to look like. You can tell the AI that I want a number list, I want a simple, short, and easy from that perspective, so it knows what the desired output look like. Where it is best to use the RISE framework: teaching and study help, explaining hard topics in English or any other language, content writing with clear structure, business writing and task planning. So any prompt where you want process and format in control, that's the place you can use RISE prompt framework. So let's look at a couple of examples. Example number 1. So we'll go from RISE. So role is be a 5th grade science teacher. Input, explain how photosynthesis work. And then, as for steps, use simple words and add one fun fact. E, expectation, write in a friendly bullet list from that perspective. Now let's look at another example. Email writing is an example, like you are a career coach and trying to coach to an intern. Our role will be act as a professional career coach. Input is write an email to get the internship update. So the task, the ask that you are doing. Steps should be keep it simple, polite, and confident. And E, expectation is write in 120 words or less in a professional tone. Those are the two examples how you can mentally think. And this is very important. The most important skill that you need to have is thinking and writing, providing in a structured manner, talking to the LLM. That's the most primary skill that you need, regardless what kind of prompt framework do you need. Now you can make RISE framework even more stronger by adding some of these things that you have learned in the previous prompt framework as well. For example, add limits, word count, audience, format, put this kind of guardrail. You can also ask for different version. Give me 3 versions from that perspective. One more important tip is that you can use is ask it that put some guardrail that ask me 2 questions if there's anything missing in my prompt. Finally, important thing is when you write your prompt, put different headings so you can differentiate between input and steps and all those. Put the heading. I usually use the hashtag, hash input, hash task, hash results, and expectation. So that's how you can make it even stronger. Also, some common mistake people make that you need to be aware of so you don't have that part of your prompt. Here are those. Your role is too vague, or you did not even define the role. Your input is too weak. For example, is help me with this. What is this? You have to provide the input, what you need to do. Your steps are missing. So AI may answer in the most format that it just reads and gives you the output. And expectations are not defined, so you will get the output, but it will not be in the desired format that you actually looking for. Finally, you have given too many instructions, so your output will become messy, right? So this is the summary of RISE, role, input, steps, and expectation prompt framework. And these are some mental frameworks. We talked about TAG, we talked about BAB. For those frameworks, these are the mental model, that cognitive model that help you think in a structured format. If you can start thinking structurally and define it, properly in your prompt, it will help AI and LLM to adhere to the instruction and also give you the output in the desired manner. It will use less tokens as well. One tip again, I always say to everyone, you can always ask the AI that before executing this prompt, review my prompt, give me and rate it or review it and give me a refined version of this prompt that I can use. So you're kind of using AI to refine your own prompt. Use that and tell it, I'm following the RISC prompt framework, so give me the output in that way, and use that particular prompt to the AI, and you will see it will give you a really better prompt structure and also a desired output that you're looking for. With that, please try this framework. Let me know in the comments how you like it. If you want to watch more of these videos, please like, subscribe, and share this, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.